nature. I am by what is this? It's Gifford. No, I don't know, but Chicory Road over there, back by the almost by the Kenosha Country Club. Nice nature. I was able to get here, $2 for the bus transfer, and it took me all the way to Chicory, right by the old animal shelter, vet place, and I walked the rest. I got $2 to get back to the north side, because I'm still able to sleep there. But after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just have to figure out. So for the time being, I've been coming out, getting a peace of mind coming out here. There's a lot of mosquitoes. I ate a pizza puff, messed up my stomach. I ate that earlier, but I was able to bring with me some fries. I just ate them with a biscuit. I had like $3. I was able to get that. I wasn't able to get no meat. I didn't have enough. Look at this. Kind of cool. So yeah. Oh man, I just spotted a beaver. I don't know if I should go that way or that way, but oh, the beaver took off. I spotted a beaver over there. I guess the cops are looking for somebody in the general area, kind of where I'm at. Kenosha Sheriffs and Racine Sheriffs, they stopped me when I first got off the bus and came down here asking me for my ID and that. I don't know, it's crazy. So yeah, that's why I come for a peace of mind. It's breezy, it feels great. Kind of creepy. Stuff like that. I bet you at nighttime it's really creepy. I couldn't be able to do this at nighttime, but yeah, it's nice. Very peaceful, very quiet. If you got a lot going on, a place like this is a good spot to come and relieve some of that stress and question life, your purpose. And if you believe in God, cry out to God. This is a good spot for it, that you can find somewhere to sit, get a peace of mind, ask God what's wrong, what's going on. Ask yourself, what are you doing wrong, what's going on. So let you guys know what I'm walking through. All I just kept thinking was when I turned around like that with my phone, if somebody was chasing me. Crazy. But yeah. Oh, look, I found a bench. I bet there's a lot of mosquitoes over there. It's the first bench I found. They said there was a whole bunch of benches down here, but this was the first one I found. Kind of cool. Sit right there, relax, collect your thoughts. You get eaten up by some mosquitoes. Yeah, so I've been coming down here, talking to God, talking to myself, questioning myself. Yeah, I'm 41, gonna be 42, and I lost my family. I lost the apartment I had my family in and raised them. my stepson, my stepdaughter, my kids, my girls' kids. I lost them. I just lost everything. I have stuff going on with personal stuff going on where I'm not able to find a job. I have a criminal record from years ago. It's just really, really, really hard and frustrating. So I come down here and I pray and I let go of the negative thoughts, the suicidal thoughts, the harmful thoughts. And I just give it all to God. And yeah, I feel better. I feel good when I'm done. 20 minutes later, the problem is still there. I'm hearing some stuff over there in the water, some creatures. So, whoever sees this video, know that personal experience, because I'm going through it. Know that depression is real. And if don't nobody hear you, or you think nobody's listening, family, friends, cry out to God and ask God for guidance. He will hear you, he'll guide you, and he'll show you the way. There's somebody over here picking stuff. So, I want to be a little quieter. You can hear me? So just give your faith up to God. And never give up hope. He will hear you. And love yourself. And take care of yourself. I don't know what he's doing. It scared me deep in the woods like this. He's not even on a trail. Should I run? But anyways, I'm just trying to find ways to battle my depression. So, but anyways, guys, the video is long enough. Have a good one.